How to enable or disable pause USB PD charging when gaming on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here. So click on advanced features. Now here, scroll down and you will see click on game booster settings. So after click on game booster settings, so click on, you will see pause USB PD charging when gaming is here. So if you want to enable pause USB PD charging when gaming, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see pause USB PD charging when gaming is enabled. So if you want to disable pause USB PD charging when gaming, so turn disable, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see pause USB PD charging when gaming is disabled. So you will enable or disable pause USB PD charging when gaming from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable pause USB PD charging when gaming on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.